Hospital, a place where people go to receive medical treatment when they are sick or injured. Doctor, a person who is trained to treat people who are ill or injured. Nurse, a person trained to care for sick or injured people, especially in a hospital. Patient, a person who is receiving medical care in a hospital. Emergency, a serious or dangerous situation that requires immediate action. Ambulance, a vehicle used to transport people in need of emergency medical care to the hospital. Surgery, medical treatment that involves cutting into a person's body to repair or remove something. Medicine, a substance used to treat illness or injury. X-ray, a type of imaging test that allows doctors to see inside the body to diagnose medical conditions. Stethoscope, a medical instrument used by doctors to listen to the sounds inside a patient's body. Bandage, a strip of material used to cover and protect a wound. Wheelchair, a chair on wheels used by people who have difficulty walking. Clinic, a healthcare facility where people can receive medical treatment or advice without being admitted to a hospital. Surgeon, a doctor who specializes in performing surgery. Prescription, a written order from a doctor for a specific medication or treatment. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I went to the hospital because I was feeling sick. 2. The doctor checked my temperature and listened to my heart. 3. The nurse gave me some medicine to help me feel better. 4. The patient in the next room was very quiet and calm. 5. There was an emergency at the hospital last night. 6. The ambulance arrived quickly to take the injured person to the hospital. 7. My grandma had surgery on her knee last week. 8. The doctor prescribed some antibiotics for my infection. 9. I had to get an X-ray after I hurt my arm. 10. The nurse used a stethoscope to listen to my breathing. 11. The bandage on my cut helped it heal faster. 12. The man in the wheelchair needed help getting to his room. 13. I have an appointment at the clinic for a checkup. 14. The surgeon did a great job fixing my broken bone. 15. The doctor wrote me a prescription for pain medication.